Hello, everybody out there in the Elvis Nation. How's everybody doing? I hope well. And I'm telling you what, I'm just so happy to be here because we're living in a technological age where this kind of content is possible. I wouldn't, if you came 25 years ago to me and said this is what I would be doing, I would really look at you with extreme disbelief because it wouldn't even make sense. And I'm so glad to be part of this technological wave that kind of makes this community gathering just a dream come true. And now when it rains, it pours. Or wait, that's not the title. No, when it rains, it really pours. That's the title. Brought to us by request. Let's not waste any time. Let's get down into the greatness.
You know what it takes, you got it, baby. You are the only one I chose.
Okay, I gotta go back. Okay, I usually let it run through the first time. I gotta hear this again. This happens every now and then because I just wasn't expecting to be thrown into the epicenter of this amazing bluesy experience.
You know what it takes, you got it, baby. The only one I chose. I got a feeling for you, baby, and you're the only one who knows about my troubles. When it rains, it really pours. What you wanted, now you left me. Well, that's the way the story goes. Well, I got troubles. When it rained, it really poured.
Listen to that guitar go, dare. Oh, that's total blues, baby. Now, just such raw, gritty nerve, the bluesy Elvis that I really think is not spotlighted enough when people, in the general Elvis conversation. But what a blues. Now that's a late night blues jam. This is not to be listened to at 9 o'clock in the morning while you're eating Cocoa Pebbles, okay? This is total dimly lit room. And the change-ups too. Man, this is a top 10 qualifier. Top 10 of all time. I don't really say that usually after the first reaction. I mean, oh, it was just too short though. That's my only problem because I was so immersed in it. Oh, that. I feel so blessed to have listened to this. I feel alive inside. I feel like I just had communion with a down power wire and I'm just all over the place. That's the greatness of it. That's, oh God, I live for this, man. I live for it. Thank you so much for joining us. God bless you. Get your piece of the peace. TCB, my friends.